Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Step into a winter wonderland of sweetness with our YouTube channel dedicated to the art of Christmas cake decoration. At my channel, we believe that the magic of the holidays should extend beyond twinkling lights and cozy gatherings, straight into the heart of your kitchen. Embark on a delightful journey as we unwrap the secrets of creating stunning Christmas cake that are not just desserts but expressions of joy and creativity. Our channel is a heaven for baking enthusiasts, both novice and seasoned, who craft to add a touch of enchantment to their holiday celebrations. From classic yule logs to whimsical winter scenes, we delve into a myriad of decoration techniques that will elevate your cake to new heights. Discover the intricate world of fondant sculpting, royal icing mastery, and edible embellishments that will leave your guests in awe. But our channel is not just about recipes and techniques, it's a celebration of the festive spirit. Join our warm and welcoming community where bakers from around the globe share their stories, tips, and triumphs. We are not just here to teach, we are here to inspire and be inspired. Expect detailed tutorials, insightful tips, and creative challenges that will ignite your passion for baking during the most joyful time of the year. As we whisk you away into the world of sugar, spice, and everything nice, get ready to make memories that are as sweet as the treats you create. Subscribe now and become a part of our Christmas baking family. Let's sprinkle joy, laughter, and a generous dusting of powdered sugar onto this holiday season together. Now subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss my updating